And moving on to some big news coming in right now, Enforcement Directorate is carrying out nationwide searches in connection with an alleged fertilizer scam, and premises of Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot's brother are also being searched. For more on this, let's go across to Arvind Gunasekar. Arvind, what's the update on this?
Anjali, the Enforcement Directorate is conducting a nationwide searches in connection with the alleged 2009 period fertilizer scam. So, in connection with this particular scam, the Enforcement Directorate officials are also conducting raids at the premises of Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot's brother Agresian Gehlot at Jaipur. So, this is what we are able to pick from our sources. That is, this particular case, according to the Enforcement Directorate officials, dates back to 2009. That is, that Department of Revenue Intelligence, they had found that the MOP, that is muriate of potash, which is one of the fertilizer that was exported to several companies, to several countries, though that particular MOP, that is muriate of potash, is not allowed to be exported, but a few companies were exporting this particular MOP, that is one kind of a fertilizer, to countries like Singapore, Malaysia, in the guise of industrial salt. They gave the name of this particular product as an on paper they made it look like an industrial salt, but whereas they were exporting this particular MOP, that is muriate of potash, which is one kind of a fertilizer. In fact, how is this particular case linking to Ashok Gehlot's brother? When we asked the Enforcement Directorate officials, what they are saying is that, in fact, the export of MOP is completely banned in India, and in fact, MOP is being imported by the government. There is an Indian Potash Limited, that is again a government company, a government subsidiary company. That company is importing the MOP, that is muriate of potash, and then they are giving it to companies so that those companies can distribute to farmers in subsidized rate. So what the Enforcement Directorate officials are alleging is that Ashok Gehlot's brother is again one of the listed customer, one of the listed dealer to retailer to get this MOP from IPL, Indian Potash Limited, and instead of distributing it to the farmers at subsidized rate, he started giving it to a few companies, and those companies in turn they exported it. So this is the case based on which the Enforcement Directorate is conducting raids, and this particular case dates back to 2009.